Like I said, these are 5th gen struts, so they are going to take a little bit of...
There can't be 2 Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking me into war.
Alright guys, what is going on? Today is the day we are finally going to be getting the coilovers installed. We're actually headed to Steve's house as we speak. I got the coilovers in the back seat. I actually have my rear tires in the back of the bed because we have to take a look at something. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but let me show you what happened to the rear tires that I didn't even know about until I basically put the truck back to stock. Alright, yeah, we are headed to Steve's house. Steve's going to be doing the front coilovers. I got them right there. Now this is what we're going to be taking a look at. So we found out we were rubbing last time. Let's see. Look at that. Rubbing on the inside because of how wide these are. So we got to take it. Nothing got like even here. It's all still good. So it's not destroyed. As you can see, it actually just took the paint off. It didn't dig in. So we are okay there. So we don't want that to rub. So we need a little bit of a spacer or something. Or maybe we can see what's going on under there and yeah, fix that issue. So we're guys, all right, we're headed to Steve's right now and we will be getting the coilovers done and we'll go from there, fellas.
Let the suspension fall out of the way.
You're on video again. So.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, we're at Steve's. It's working on getting the stock struts out. Actually, they're not stock. They're max track struts with stock coils, actually.
You actually forgot about that?
Yeah, I forgot the coils were the stock coils we used. That's what they call for, and they're struts. So he's going to be taking all this apart, and then we'll be getting I guess both sides at once or one at a time. I don't know, however he feels like doing it. I guess whatever's better.
The old lazy way.
Yep. So get back to him when we're ready. Let's get that out.
In the garage.
And Steve has the first strut out in about 5 to 10 minutes.
It's a jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah, just gotta get it out, little stuff in the way.
There we go.
Yep.
It's like playing Tetris.
Yep.
All right.
Number 1. Done.
Go get me parts.
Parts.
What are you waiting for?
Let's get some parts, guys. Let's get some parts.
It's your job. Come on, let's go.
I'm the part guy. There they are. Hold on a second.
Oh! Oh, very cool. Got the spanner wrench off.
Yeah, I have no idea what any of this is.
This is called a spanner wrench, Nick. We're going to need these to adjust ride height.
Okay.
So I'll put this on my nice magnetic tray over here.
Oh, it's magnetic too?
Yeah,
That's
it's
really
magnetic
sweet.
bases. That's a clicker knob. You didn't lose the other clicker knob, did you?
No, it's just when I popped the box open, there was just one, and then that was the other thing on the other side.
Okay.
So.
Maybe the clicker knob's off to the one side.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Ooh.
Yeah, they're nice.
And they're not marked left and right?
I didn't really get a good look at them when I did the video. I just looked at them, and that was really it.
Why are these on here? Why would they paper it?
So guys, Steve, look at this and we'll get back with you. Alright guys, Steve needs to get a spring compressor to take the top hat off to put on the new coilover. As he's getting it ready, he just set that for now to see a good starting point for when we hit the track. And then he'll get started on this side. Alright guys, after a little customization, Steve got the top hat on the coilover. Like I said, these are 5th gen struts, so they are going to take a little bit of... They do fit, but it's not a direct bolt on. There's a little bit of adjustment. A little bit of
Finesse.
and a little bit of customization, but we'll get on the work. At least they're shiny.
Yeah.
Nice and shiny. So we'll get back when Steve's done putting this side back together. Alright guys, this side's all finished up. You can see the coilovers in there. Look at them. Ooh, yeah. Very good. Just got a little bit of adjustment to do with the setting the height a little bit more. Not much. Little customization. Steve's working on this side. And we'll be done in no time. Strut number 2 is off. Steve's getting ready to adjust it and put another one back on. Now that we know how, he did this side's going to go a lot smoother. Hopefully. Hopefully is always the question there. So again, thank you, Stuart, hooking me up with these. Hit him up. Griffs Performance Shop. Link in the description to his website. And we'll, I think, be the first. We're the first one to put them on a 4th gen, but I probably not the first one ever, but testing these out for racing wise. I got you. All right, second strut, second coilover is going in.
At least your installs are getting easier as the years go on.
Yes, I remember when you did the
Fought the headers.
Fought the
transmission 5 times since you couldn't leave it alone. Or stop blowing it up.
I blew up 1 trans. I blew up 5 rears.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't remind me.
The first one was the worst though.
We're not going to do that again.
No, we're not doing that now. Alright, Steve's putting on the last wheel. You can see coilovers are done. We just got to adjust ride height a little bit, and that's it, right?
Yep.
That's it, man.
Gotta come down a 1/2 inch.
Yeah, got to come down a 1/2 inch, and that's all. So we'll show you. We'll get that adjusted. Let him finish that side up. And there we go. All right, fellas. Steve, how'd that install go?
Smoother than everything else.
Yep, which is always good. Completely done. Ride height is set. When we lowered that other side, this one actually came down 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch to actually be exactly the height that we already had it at. He measured it. So it's already set. It's got a decent starting point for the compression and rebound for the track. We're going to take it for a drive, see how it feels, and hit the track as soon as we can. Alright guys, just left Steve's. Took him about 2 hours to do the install. Everything went great. He had to customize a little bit, not much. Your stock, the top hat of the strut, the stock one, needed to be drilled out. Not much, just enough to go around the new the coilover, the new I guess the center of it, I guess you call it. I don't even know the name of it. So he had to drill that out a little bit to put it on, but went on great. The ride height, actually, after we let it settle and put the other side down, was exactly the same as it was when we showed up. He measured it, and we measured when we were done, so we didn't actually have to adjust the ride height. It is very stiff in the front right now, obviously, because the way we have it set. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the track, and we're going to play with the setting. We're going to have to test it out and see how it is. But he's got it at a faster rebound. Oh, I forget what he said. Exactly, I can't think right now, guys. I'm excited for getting it done. It has a fast rebound, fast compression's down, rebounds up, or vice versa. Slow coming down, fast expanding, slow coming down. Pretty sure that's what we did. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, that's what we did, and it broke. Driving great so far. We took it for a couple test drives. We're on our way back to the home, to the house, and hopefully get this video up for you guys today. If not, it'll be up tomorrow. Today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday, so yeah, see, it's a little bumpier. It's definitely a lot stiffer than I expected it, but I got to get used to it. So yeah, man, I'm very excited we got these on. Now we can hit the track and kick some ass, guys. Hold on a second. I think it's looking a little different to me right now. That's where we're at. But yeah, guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. Now we have coilovers, we have a good front suspension in there, and hoping to get the track as soon as possible. So I'll talk to you guys as soon as we can. Peace.
Smash!